Welcome to our foundation channel. From class 7, the chapter number 11 is understanding 3D and 2D shapes. So, two-dimensional shapes already we learned in previous class also, like only 2D shapes, square, rectangle, parallelogram, all the quadrilaterals, triangles, those types already discussed. And including 2D, let us see the 3D basics also. And 3D shapes, what are the basic formula and what are the required skills you need to practice from this chapter. I'll explain one by one. You can find the link in description below regarding the worksheets. So what you have to practice after learning from this video, what you require to practice. I'm giving link in description below. You can get those PDF files and practice them. Right. First of all, in 3D shapes, in this class, you should know the isometric dot paper to draw the 3D shapes. Okay, get the isometric dot papers. I'm giving the paper also. If you want, you can take the printout. After taking the dot paper, isometric dot paper, you need to draw all the 3D shapes. Just a few examples I'm showing, but in worksheets I'll give number of examples. Those all you need to draw in this isometric dot paper. So like for example, if you observe, we can start any one of the corner. These are the four joints, right? So you can take middle one place. Let us take join this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 by joining. Next, every line towards uh, vertical lines it is exactly. So from every line you can make straight lines. So 1, 2 from every this. So 1, 2. Again from down here is these three lines are there. Again this line is exactly straight. No? So you also can join the straight. So you can get exactly isometric dot paper if you get it. Just based on that you can make the shape. Now towards this 3 points. So 1, 2, 3. From this again right side is 2. Next from here is again join the straight line. Two lines are there. So you join them, then every corner line is a vertical lines. Just by observing these shapes, you can make this straight line you draw. Even these corners, you can join those. Join the shape. So then you can shade this, or you can frame this diagram just to join the shape. This is one shape. So some shapes I am giving. So by seeing you can draw that. Then afterwards, without seeing also you can practice. So take the isometric dot sheet, dot paper. So you can practice all the 3D shapes, around 15 to 20 different shapes I'm giving in the worksheet. Those all you can practice in this isometric dot paper. So that will improve the proper skill in this 3D shapes to draw. Right. Next one, once perfect of all these concepts, next let us see the properties and the types of all the 3D shapes one by one. Right. I'll show you a full list. You can see once. First one is a cube. This is a cube shape. Faces, edges and vertices. How many faces are there? So surrounding 4 and top one, down one. 6 faces. And these are the edges. So which are seeing now this is one edge. One which I am drawing with red. So these are the 4 edges. And 5, 6, 7, edge. 8, again 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. And vertices are the corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. 6 faces, 8, 12 edges and 8 vertices for this cube. Same way you can apply for triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid is base is in triangular shape. Every base, one of the corners joined, triangles are there. Three triangle having 3 sides, no? So 3 triangles will come surrounding. Triangular pyramid. And triangular prism. So prism is side face are exactly rectangular shapes. It's a triangular shape. Cone faces only 1 or 2. Just is only base. Surrounding can take. This is option. Edges. surrounding on 1. So you can take only 1 or 2. Just some way we can consider 0 or 1 also. So vertices is only 1. If you treat this also one vertex. That's why they give options. But mainly triangular prism, cuboid, cylinder, square pyramid. So these all I'm giving this faces, edges and vertices you observe. Depending on this, we have the formula, that is Euler's formula. Faces plus vertices is equals to edges plus 2. For example, first one. Faces is 6, vertices is 8, and edges is 12 plus 2. 6 plus 8 is 14, 12 plus 2 is 14. So it should match. The formula is F plus V is equals to E plus 2. Some books they can write even F plus V minus E is equals to 2 also. Both are same. F plus V minus E is equals to, or F plus V is equals to E plus 2. Same. So using this formula, that is faces plus vertices, and is equals to E plus 2, or minus E is equals to. So E plus 2 we can take. Based on this formula, I am giving some questions. So first a few pages all regarding isometric dot sheets, 3D papers, and all the classifying the 3D, those type of all worksheets are there. And you have the problems also. I am giving some pages. Let us see this. Polyhedron has 6 faces, 7 vertices. How many edges does it have? How many edges? So you can use this formula. According to the question, face is 6. So F is equal to 6, V is equal to 7, and E is equals to how much? So I substitute here. We know F plus V is equal to E plus 2. F plus, so 6 plus V is 7 is equals to, E is not given, you have to find out E plus 2. 6 plus 7, 13 is equals to E plus 2. Then E is equals to 13 minus 2, so 11. So 11 edges will be polyhedron. So according to this, we can draw the shape also. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Use the Euler's theorem. You can find out. And the diagram also you can explain through that. For example, 10th question. Euler's theorem only they are asking. Euler's theorem is F plus V is equals to E plus 2. Using this theorem, calculate how many edges, which is having 6 faces. So 6 plus vertices is 8 is equals to E plus 2. This is 14 is equals to E plus 2. Then E is equals to 12, right? Edges is 12. So Euler's theorem we can apply, especially in this worksheet. Not only this, I'm giving different 3D shapes including faces, vertices, edges. You just have to apply in the Euler's also. Worksheets are giving, those you can practice. And all the shapes are given, especially this dot paper also. To draw all the 3D shapes you can practice to improve all the basic skills only, especially in this chapter. You can get that PDF file and practice.